Blue Sharp 59's channel. How to build a house. They poured the driveway, or they got rocks over the driveway so trucks can get in and haul the material. This is going to be the garage area right here. It's going to be a 3-car garage, I guess. They got all the basement in. They got the crushed rock down below. The 1-pour walls. There you go. Pillars for the patio in the back there. Got the basement down there. Now we got all the trusses in for the second floor. Or the first floor, whatever you want to call it there. They'll put the flooring out over this stuff. We'll start building another level. They got the insulation on the outside of the block, or the concrete slab that they poured. There you go. When they get the seating on top here, they'll pour the concrete down there, I think. Yeah. So you got the bottom downstairs framed already. Little patio door going out back. Yeah. The floor's done. They covered all the floor trusses now. Now what they did is they got all the first floor framing done, as you can see. They got some weather wrap on there. They did this all in one day, believe it or not. Yeah, they actually, when I got here, they finished most of this today. They did 2 days ago. They did the basement. And the other day they did partial. They did the floor, and then today they did all the walls on the first level. There's gonna be a second level up here. So. This is the garage again. They dropped some trusses off, some roof trusses. See they're over there. They'll be putting those on. Working on the second floor now, you guys. Second floor joist in. They'll put down the flooring sheeting over that very top. See the trusses up there? So they'll add the second floor tomorrow probably. They got all the interior walls framed in. It's your basement again. Walkout lower level. First floor. And then the third floor will go up on top. They're getting progress. Working on that second floor up there, you guys. Oh, just trying to, there's a garage right here. See all that side there? Framing, putting a roof on the garage, and they're going to finish the second floor up on the other side there. Put the flooring up today, rest of it. I think they did the flooring yesterday. Got the second floor done, framed. Got all the walls on the inside, on the top level there. That'll be the second floor up there. Garage back here. There'll be a room. The house goes above the garage partially. There's the garage again, 3-car. See what I was telling you, the room upstairs, overlapping. Lower level, first level in the middle, and upper level. At the garage, indoor framing there. By the way, I'm not inside the house, I'm on the outside, if you're wondering. See? There you go. These guys do good work. There's the lower level. Grand staircase over there. They got all the framing done on the second floor now, which will be the third floor from the basement. lower walkout, second floor, which would be the first, and the second floor is actually the third floor. So we'll call it the second floor up front here. But they got all the inside walls done, and they put the peaks on. Now tomorrow they're going to get a crane out here, and they're going to put the roof on. Yeah, there's one of the peaks right there. That's the big corner truss, right? And they got the rest of them right here in this pile. You guys all got to go up on that thing tomorrow by crane. Going up. See up in that very top corner there? I build the roof tomorrow. It's the garage again, you guys. 3-car garage. Second floor. Installing the roof trusses this morning. We got the crane truck over there. Oh, you see how good? There you go. It goes way up high. There we go, nailing it down. The roof trusses are all on up there. Top, very top. All framed in. They got the trusses on this side of the house now over the garage. So the roof trusses are done, except for they got a few in front there. They got to put those on yet. On the, I think the parts of the little overhangs on top there. Then they'll put the sheathing on that over there. They'll put the plywood down, then they'll put the roof shingles over that. Now the roof sheathing's going on. See it on top up there? Put the plywood on the top on the roof. After that, to put the tar paper down and the shingles. And wait for the windows to get put in, and then they'll do the siding. The grand staircase. Front door. Looks like a fireplace can go there. Roof done now. All the shingles are on. You can see up there. Now I guess they're going to put the windows in, next phase, and then they're going to put the siding on after the windows. They just put the windows in. Now they're waiting for the siding guys to come out and do the siding. Siding and garage door have to be replaced, then or put in, and then the fascia on top. The fascia wrap around the roof peaks there. There you go, guys. The siding is all put on. They got all the brick molding around the doorway there. You can see it, the bricks. They did it to the left of the house there. Yep, the house is all complete now. All they gotta do is put a front door on there. Get rid of temporary, put a regular door on. And then add some grass and landscaping. It's pretty much ready to move in then. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace to all of you. At Custom Renovations and Builders. Design, build, renovate. 612-788-9608. CustomHomesMinnesota.com. Check them out. Licensed and bonded, looks like.